Hey guys, it's Ivan here from All About Window Tools. So, in this video, pag-aaralan natin ang ilan sa mga useful tools sa window tulad ng registry editor, management console, at libraries, and search function. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is i-browse natin yung window registry. So, next din naman natin ang registry editor. Pero reminder lang, huwag basta-basta magbago ng setting dito kasi direct to the system mo to. Okay, let's start. So, we're gonna go first, go to the search box, and you're gonna type regi edit. So, this is the registry editor. We're gonna open that. And we're gonna go click yes. So as you can see, this my all the files that root in my system. Just gonna pop up the account control, ganun, like that. Mapapansin mo parang file explorer lang ang itsura. Tawag dyan ay may mga registry keys. So sa left panel ay inanavigate mo papunta sa HK local machine. So let's look for the HK local machine. Here is it. Oh, let me open this. Okay, let's open this. Don't click the folder. And we're gonna go look for software. Okay, once you open the software, and next we're gonna go look for Microsoft. Right. Oh, this. And next, once you click Microsoft, we're going to look Window. There's a lot of files in here, you know. Here we go. Here's the window. And next is the current version. Oh, here is it. And the authentication. And next, we're gonna go look for login. Log on UI. Makikita mo dyan yung mga setting related sa login screen mo. So, punta naman tayo sa HK current user. So, tatanggalin muna natin to. Pero pwede nyo namang gawin din to. Wait. There's a lot of file in here. Click this Microsoft. Oh. Just click this. So we're going to look for HK current user, or here is it, the current user. And next we're gonna open control panel. So we're gonna going to right click find. I-uncheck natin yung keys, data. Iwan lang natin yung values. Tapos, i-type mo wallpaper mo. Oh. Wallpaper. So, you can see dyan yung path ng desktop ng wallpaper mo. This is. So, ayos. Nakita mo na kung saan nakatago ang ilang window setting mo. So, ito na yung pagtatapos ng registry editor sa video to. So, salamat sa panonood sa inyo. Salamat sa pakikinig. So, that's all everyone. Thank you for everything and thank you for listening.